Welcome to yoga. I'm teacher Stephanie. Let's get started. Sunshine arms and ocean breath we know very well already. Come to the edge of your chair, feet planted so you feel anchored. Hands sweep up, inhale. Exhale, hands to heart center. Again, inhale, arms wide and reach. Exhale, ocean sound. Last time. Breathing in, take your space. Exhale. Hang out in easy pose. It's so easy. What is emotional regulation and how do we do it? Emotional regulation is a way to talk to your inside body and make it match or at least communicate with your outside body. So sometimes we have big feelings that might not be safe to express in the environment we find ourselves in. Emotional regulation is the skill of saying to your inside self, okay, we're having these feelings and here's a safe way to express it given where we are right now. How does yoga help us with emotional regulation? Yoga gives us the tools and the practice time with those tools to hold space for ourselves. This can help us get to an environment where it is safe to express those big feelings, and it gives us the awareness of those feelings in the first place. When we can tune into body and breath and mind, we have much more access to our emotions, which means we can make choices about them more successfully. Let's get started with a few easy pose breaths. Front of your chair, nice and easy. One more. Sunrise breath, hands to your hips. One hand comes up and over in an arcing shape, side bend, and then back full circle to that hip. Inhale, arcing arm goes over the top, side bend, and back to the same side you started on. Inhale goes up, exhale goes down. Let's try this together. Inhale. Side bend, exhale, reset. Other side, breathe in, side bend, exhale, reset. Again, inhale, side bend, exhale, reset. Inhale. Side bend, exhale, reset. One more time on our own. Nice work. Meet me at the side of your chair for mountain pose. Tall like a mountain, grounded in your feet, and like a string is pulling from the top of your head, drawing you up to the sky. Star pose, step out again, toes stay pointing forward, arms out to a T shape. Chair side toes point towards your chair. Your choice, back of the chair, seat of the chair, thigh, or shin. Avoid your knee, don't put pressure there. Anything else is up to you. Breath in, looking at your top hand. Hold for another 2 breaths, please. Untip your triangle, come back to star. Hands to hips, transition to mountain. Great work. Other side. Mountain pose, strong and tall. Feel that string pulling you up from the top. Feel your roots anchoring you down at the bottom. Step out again. Star, 2 breaths. Chair side foot now. Turn toes toward the chair. Tip your arms down to catch the chair back. Chair seat, thigh or shin, avoiding your knee, of course. Now this side might be different than your first side, and that's okay. Another breath here. And 2 more. Untip your seesaw. Toes point forward, hands to hips. Heel toe your feet in until you can step comfortably back to mountain. Hang on to the back of your chair for tree pose. All your body weight centered and organized around that standing leg. Your outside leg, tiptoe your foot, turn it out, and kickstand heel to your inner ankle. One hand, try that balance. Other hand, try that balance. Now for a different sensation, hang on to the chair again and shift that foot maybe up to your calf, maybe up to your thigh. I have to grab my foot and put it there if that's where I want it. And we'll see if this feels good for my body today. Not today. I'm going to keep my foot down at my calf. You do what's right for you. Both hands reach high if you like. One more breath. Come on back down, shake that leg, and meet me on the other side for your other tree. Organized and stable on that chair side leg. Other leg, tiptoe foot, turn it out, and rest heel to your inner ankle. Hand goes up to the sky, breathing. Other hand goes up to the sky if you want to, breathing. Now hold on to the chair again, and let's see if there's a different sensation or a different body shape you'd like to take in this pose. Maybe foot to the inside of your shin or foot to the inside of your thigh. I'm going to stay right here for myself today. Breathing. Noticing what emotions are coming up and being in conversation with them. All right, release your arms down, shake your legs out. Wonderful work. Meet me back in your chair. Easy pose, take a few breaths. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Keep those knuckles attached to your low back. Roll your shoulders open and stretch your chest. Look right about where the ceiling meets the wall and take another few breaths here. Release your fingers. Roll out your shoulders. We're coming now to our relaxation portion of class. Constructive rest. Reviewing the arms again. Hands out, thumbs down. Cross over, interlace fingers. Hands go down and in, and rest your chin. Your choice to stay in this seated version of constructive rest or come down to the floor with me to do it lying down. From the floor, keep your knees bent, feet go wide. Let your knees touch so you're making that same tent with your legs that we did last class. Hands go out, thumbs down, crisscross, interlace your fingers, and hands go down and in. Notice if you'd like to make any adjustments in your legs, or your head, or your hair, or your shoulders, or your shirt. Anything that would help you feel supported in this body shape. Close your eyes if that's comfortable, or have a soft focus with your gaze. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Continue to breathe slowly and deeply. Tune in to what's going on for you right now. What can you notice about your thoughts, your body, your heart? Take some time to allow these things to come to you, perhaps in words or images, or perhaps as physical sensation. If anything becomes too intense or overwhelming, pause and breathe. In a moment, I'll ask you to focus on a single feeling or sensation at a time, whether positive or negative. Then repeat to yourself, I acknowledge this feeling or sensation, and now I can release it. Find your first feeling or sensation. Acknowledge it by saying, I acknowledge this feeling or sensation, and now I can release it. Breathe in and release, breathe out. Now, find another feeling or sensation. Acknowledge it by saying, I acknowledge this feeling or sensation, and now I can release it. Breathe in and release, breathe out. For the next few moments, continue bringing attention to any thoughts or feelings that arise for you. Acknowledge it and then release. You might continue saying to yourself, I acknowledge this feeling or sensation, and now I can release it with each new feeling or sensation. We'll take a few more moments together and continue acknowledging and releasing any thoughts or feelings that arise. Our phrase again is, I acknowledge this feeling or sensation, and now I can release it. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's take 2 more breaths together. Inhale Exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Before we transition from this body shape, tell yourself we'll move slowly. Slow motion, unwind your arms and pause. Before you unlace your fingers, notice which wrist is on top. Now unlace your hands, switch the wrist that's on top, relace your fingers, and again go down and in with your hands. We'll take 3 deep breaths here, experiencing the other side of this constructive rest, twisty hand position. Now stay in slow motion, release your hands, unwind, and come on up to sitting in your chair for the close of our practice. Thank you for joining me again for yoga. I'm teacher Stephanie, and I'll see you next time.